three little words, kids. It's time to play. And today, we're going to find out which letter belongs to each animal. This is the letter L. Let's get the Play-Doh. What animal will I make that starts with the letter L? Do you know? Let's put the mold here. And look, what's this animal? It's the lion. Lion starts with the letter L. Let's put him right here. L for lion. Roar. Now, with the letter P. Do you know which little animal I'm going to make now with this Play-Doh? Which animal starts with the letter P? Let's put the mold here. I think I already know what it is. How about you? It's a penguin. Penguin starts with the letter P. Now it's the letter G's turn. Let's knead this dough well and see which little animal we have here that starts with the letter G. Let's put the mold. Squeeze well. Do you already know what this little animal is? Let's see. Look, a giraffe. Let's put the giraffe right here. Giraffe starts with the letter G. This is the letter F. Let's knead this dough. And what animal do you think we're going to make with the letter F? I think you already know what it is, right? Let's see if you got it right. That's right, a frog. Let's put our little frog right here. The letter F is for frog. This is the letter T. Let's knead this dough well and find out which animal starts with the letter T. Do you already know what it is? I still don't know. Look, a turtle. How cute. Let's put our turtle right here. The letter T is for turtle. Do you know this letter? Letter H. Which animal do you think starts with the letter H? This one is harder, right? Let's see. Do you already know what it is? It's a hippopotamus. Cool. Let's put our hippopotamus right here next to the letter H. This is the H for hippopotamus. And this was another 3 little words time to play. Until next time, bye-bye.
Hi little friend, before watching our next video, subscribe to our channel and let's have fun together.